So in this video, you'll learn how to enable caller name announcer on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So all you need to do is just open the phone app and then you want to select keypad. Under keypad, you then want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then from here, select settings. Under your call settings, you then want to scroll until you find answering and ending calls. Tap on it. And then from here, you should see the option read caller names aloud. Select that. The next step in order for you to enable caller name announcer is to simply tap on the toggle next to off to turn it on. And now from here, you can choose how it's going to be activated. You can either have it only being enabled with Bluetooth and headphones only. So if you have any incoming calls, the name will only be read via if you have Bluetooth or headphones. Or you can just tap on always, and now it means that every phone call that comes through, the name will be read aloud. Then you can also choose to enable this option, read caller names aloud twice, which means that the caller name will be read aloud twice instead of just once. So it's up to you to customize these settings to your liking. Then when you're happy, you can now close the phone app with the changes being applied to your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.